Welcome back everyone to the Sinex Tutorials channel. Today we will create a to-do application with the help of Chat GPT. So our first step is to ask Chat GPT if it can generate Flutter application. It's a good sign he knows how to build a Flutter application, so let's describe our application. Okay, we have some code parts, but let's ask if he can generate a complete file what we just copy and paste. And it's done. Now let's open Visual Studio Code and with Command-Shift-P on Mac and Control-Shift-P on Windows create a new project. After we have our fresh project, just paste the generated code and run it. We tap on the plus button, we type our task and tap on Add. As you can see, it appears on the list. If we tap on the cancel button, it closes the pop-up. It's a scrollable list, and if we tap on an item, it's gone from the list. If we check the code, we can see we have a function that adds the task to a string list. Here you can see the scrollable list that contains our tasks. On tap, it's deleted from the list. Also, we have the floating plus button, which when we tap it opens the pop-up screen. We have the pop-up's title. By pressing cancel closes the pop-up, and by tapping the add button it's adding the value to the list. So that was a quick tutorial about how to generate a simple to-do list app with AI. Hope you learned something new today. If you liked it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials. See you next time and take care.